Welcome. This is Daud and Sharif, QA Fellows, directly mentored by Kawes Joseph. In this presentation, we'll be demonstrating automated testing for OpenMRS reference application. Simple abstract, automated testing is a technique where testers write scripts and uses suitable automation tools to test the software. This allows execution of repetitive tasks without intervention of manual testers. The team is QA team. And the first demo is going to be presented by Sharif, and this demo presents the old test workflow for OpenMRS reference application. Let's dive into the demo.
In this video, we're going to be talking about we're going to be testing Selenium automated tests, and that is from reference application distribution. And the second video is going to be talking about the new base test workflow that is from the QA framework. Within this test, it's a VisNode test. Ideally, we're testing the VisNode page. So we're going to be automating the VisNode, and these are the actions that are being taken along on the VisNode page. But basically, we're going to be editing a VisNode, adding a new diagnosis, and deleting a VisNode that has already been added. I already changed my test body file to false, then I'm running on localhost that is running in the background. Let me run this test as a JUnit test. It first searches for a active VisNode, and then it clicks on the first active VisNode, and then we come back to the patient clinician facing dashboard. It goes to the recent VisNode. It adds a VisNode and prepares the new diagnosis. After that, we come back to the VisNode page. It edits a VisNode by adding the new diagnosis, primary and secondary, and then after that, it deletes that new diagnosis that it have already added, and we can see the test passing. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Sharif. The next demo is by Dawood. This demo presents the new test workflow for OpenMRS reference application. Let's jump into the demo. Write code, save lives. This is Dawoodi, a quality assurance fellow. In this presentation, I will be demonstrating an automated clinical visit workflow that has been developed following the new workflow-based testing framework that was selected by the community. Very simple, brief introduction about the test. It has 6 user stories. 1, completing the visit note. 2, adding known allergies to the patient profile. 3, adding known patient condition to the profile. 4, adding supporting document to the patient profile. 5, booking an appointment for the next visit. And lastly, ending the patient visit. Let's jump into the demonstration. The command is npm run clinical visit test. This command triggers the test to only run the clinical workflow without triggering or invoking other tests within the repo. It triggers the browser, and the test logs into the system. It clicks in active visit. It searches an active patient, and here the user stories begin. The first one is completing the visit note. It completes the note and it saves the note, and the test returns to the patient dashboard. The next is adding known allergies to the patient profile. It has added it and it returns to the patient dashboard. The next one is adding known patient condition to the profile, and it has added it. It returns to the patient dashboard. The next one is attaching supporting document to the patient profile. It has attached the document and it returns to the patient dashboard. The next one is booking an appointment for the next visit. It has already booked an appointment, and lastly, it is checking out the patient by ending the patient visit. And it returns to the dashboard, and the test is done. Amazing. Very interesting. You look at the result here. It gives a summary of the test build. Thanks for watching, and thanks for your precious time. enjoy this unique virtual community conference, the second of its kind.